Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial for you on this look, and it's based on the products that I unboxed last week. If you watched that video, if you've not watched that video, go watch that video after this or before, but go watch that video because it is a good one. Like, girl. But I unboxed loads of goodies last week. If you've not seen that, go check that out. The link will be down below and up here as well. And yeah, this tutorial will be a bright and colourful one. If you don't like bright colourful colours, let me know in the comments kind of what kind of tutorials you want, because I did a neutral tutorial the other week there, but I wanted to get back to the bright colourful things because I like doing colourful makeup as well. So let me know what kind of tutorials you want me to do, but I absolutely love how this makeup turned out. So if you want to follow me on any other social media as well, my handles will be right here, and also my links will be down below as usual. So I also did a TikTok on this look, multiple TikToks, so if you want to check that out, my TikTok is down below as well. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching as well.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So I have now primed my eyes and done my brows already, and we're going to be using this lovely palette today. I'm so excited to use this. This is the 9H palette that Morphe sent me in Glam Fam, and I did an unboxing of these products in the last video, so if you've not seen that, please check that out. The link will be somewhere up here as well. And yeah, so these are the colours I'm going to be using today. So firstly, I'm going to go into this pink shade here, and I'm just going to start putting that in the crease, and this I'm using a Jessup Beauty Luxe Smoky Shader brush in the number 234. So I'm just packing the pink on, and this is quite a bright, really like hot pink. So I'm also just winging that out as well, just at the corner there. So now I'm going to use the Jessup Beauty Smudger 226 brush, and it's kind of like the same shape as the previous one that we used. And I'm going to go into this light pink shade here and this kind of peachy shade as well. And I'm going to start blending this hot pink out. Okay, so now I'm going to take this orange colour, and I'm not using this red today because I kind of want it to be like not tropical but quite soft and nice, like bright, and I didn't really want to use the red, so I'm using the orange with a Morphe M506 brush. It's just a small blending brush, and I'm just placing that right just in the middle over the top where we put the pink as well. So now I'm going to take a Morphe M456, and it's a small tapered blending brush. I'm going to take this lime green colour here, and I'm just going to start putting this in the inner corner right next to the orange. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to use a Jessup Beauty Detail Shader Brush 237. So it's just a small kind of round brush to cut the crease, and I'm also going to use the aloe vera Vaseline that I always use. So next I'm going to take a cotton bud like that, and I'm just going to go over where I've put the Vaseline, and I'm just going to remove all that Vaseline that we've put on the lid. So now I'm going to take a Peel Ease Acid Rain cut crease brush like that, and I'm going to take the Conceal and Hydrate Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease with this. So I've just zoomed in slightly just so you can see what I mean when I've cut the crease. So I've put concealer all over my eyelids as well, and now I'm going to take these two shades and pop them on my lid. So I'm going to take the Morphe Madison Beer brush. It's just a small detailer brush just like that, so it's just for lid and shimmer colours. So first I'm going to take this colour here, and I'm just going to pop this on the inner corner of my eye. So this is just going on the inner portion of my eye. I don't know if you can see the difference there. So this is just a greeny gold. I don't know if you can see because of the light, but this is such a stunning colour. I absolutely love this. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the orange kind of gold here, the orange peachy shimmer, and I'm just gonna pop this in the middle portion of my eye as well. I'm also going to blend the outer corner where we've put concealer and the pink, and I'm just going to get the pink again on the same Jessup Beauty Luxe Smoky Shader Brush 234, and I'm just going to dip that into the pink, and I'm just going to blend this into the concealer that we popped down. So now I'm going to go in with the pink shimmer here. It's like a pink duochrome. This pink shimmer is so nice on top of the hot pink, like it shines so beautifully. Okay, so I also realised that I have these metallic eyeshadows as well, so I'm going to use the gold one and this one, like the lighter gold. So this one is actually the lighter one, so I'm going to use this metallic eyeshadow, and I've heard they're really nice to blend in with the eyeshadow that you've already got on the eye, so I'm going to use this as well, and I'm just going to use this and pop it on the eye like that. So I'm just blending that eyeshadow, the metallic eyeshadow. I used shade Drippin', so that's the shade I used. And I'm just blending that out with the peachy gold in this palette here. So you could definitely do this eye look without the metallic eyeshadow, but I absolutely wanted to use this metallic eyeshadow. It looked so nice, and it does look really nice on the eye. Also, I'm going to be using the Morphe liquid eyeliner in the shade Blank Slate. So this is a white eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and this is what the eyeliner looks like. If you want to see full swatches and review on this eyeliner as well and these products, then I have a video on it on my last video as well. So I'm just gonna pop the eyeliner literally on the cut crease, so just where that line starts I'm gonna put the white liquid eyeliner on there. So nerve-wracking because I'm not that great at eyeliner. Okay, so that is the eye pretty much done. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and the rest of my face and then I'll come back and show you what I'm using for my highlight and my lip products as well. Okay, so I've actually finished the rest of my face off camera, but I'm going to tell you the products that I did use. For lashes, I used Pound Lashes in the style Bombshell, and they're very like nice, curly and fluffy. They're not too full, not too like sparse. They can definitely, like, you can tell they're quite a nice like pretty lash. I'll just zoom you in just so you can see like what they actually look like. So this is the style Bombshell and the Pound Lashes, and I do have a code for these if you want to use the code, but like you get a free pair of lashes I think with the code that you use via makeup. I think you get a free pair of lashes at checkout, so if you want to check that out then obviously check the link down below. You don't even need a code with these because they're like so cheap anyway, £1. Like, I cannot recommend these lashes enough. You can see for yourself, they are really, really stunning. I absolutely love these lashes. I've done a video on Pound Lashes already, so if you've not seen that, go check it out. It should be up here somewhere. Then I finished off my eyes by using the Morphe Jet Black Liner in the colour Jet. I also used the Morphe M443, and I've talked about that in the unboxing that I did in my last video. So if you want to check any of these out as well, they are in my last video, and this is just a gel black liner, and this is just a pointy dense brush that I used on my eyes as well. So I've used the Lime Crime Turkish Delight liquid lipstick, and this is so nice. Like, it's soft on the lips, like it's not too much at all. Like, it's definitely very light, but it still gives an opaque colour. Like, I absolutely love this colour. Turkish Delight was one of their top selling like liquid lipsticks back in the day when everybody talked about Lime Crime, but I used this, and I also used the lip gloss Jupiter in the Morphe Madison Beer collection that I mentioned in the review that I did as well, and I used this in that tutorial as well. But this combo is like stunning. I don't know if you can see, like, it's so beautiful. I keep looking at myself because I'm like, oh, I love this makeup. But yeah, for highlight, I actually forgot to mention, like, this is the same highlight that I always use now, CC Collection Glow Vibes highlighter. I always use this highlighter like any day now. I still use the sleek highlight that I used to use months ago, but listen, this has taken my heart, honestly. This is such a beautiful highlight. Like, it's stunning. Like, it's not too much, it's not too subtle. You can definitely tell there's a sheen there, but it is really nice. Like, can you see that in the light? Like, I'm glowing. Guys, I know this is not a review, but I just wanted to say, like, the palette that we used today, the 9H palette, I absolutely love this palette. This is such a dream to work with. It blends so beautifully. Like, I have always loved Morphe's formula of eyeshadows. Like, that's not been a secret ever. I absolutely love Morphe eyeshadows, but this palette is like stunning. Colourful eyeshadows are a tough one to do, like, to top, because the Be Perfect Carnival palette, I've always loved that formula. That's like been the best formula for me for colourful eyeshadows. The Sample Beauty Painter's palette is a top-notch palette as well. Like, that is up there. This is honestly up there with them, hands down, because this is such a beautiful travel friendly palette. It's not too big, like, it's definitely travel friendly, and it's pigmented. And if you wanted to, like, add a pop of colour in your routine, or like if you wanted to go somewhere when we can at some point, then this is definitely like such a nice, like, even like just a shimmer, like, so beautiful. I love this palette. I might do a tutorial with the 9L palette that I got in PR as well. Let me know if you want a purple tutorial as well with that palette. It's basically the same palette, but it's got like loads of purples, purple shimmers, dark purple shimmers, but like, honestly, highly recommend this. You can use my code if you want to purchase this. Like, don't, if you ever feel like you want to purchase this, I got you. I got you. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Turn those post notifications on as well if you enjoyed this tutorial. And I will be back with another video next week. Bye! That is it. I also did a TikTok on this lovely Jessup Beauty Luxe Smoke on the same Jessup Beauty Luxe Smoky Shader brush.